Hi there. So I'm doing a short tutorial on how to remove the Mk6 Fiesta rear seat latches if they don't work. Mine is broken. It just moves back and forth and it will not release the back of the seat. As you can see, this is already crooked because I already took it off. It's fairly easy to pop it off. You just got to pull on the back side of the plastic cover and it will release it. The two rear little grips, and then you remove the front. You can see here that there are these little things that are gripping onto the main housing. So you can see here that it doesn't do anything. It's broken on the inside. It's fairly easy. As you can see, I'm holding in one hand the camera and the other I'm just popping it out, basically applying a little bit of pressure on the one side and it just pops out. If I take it out, you can see that this little thing here is broken off, and here you can see that this is actually the release part, which if you pull on it, it releases the seat. And here you can see that this pin is inside. Now what I have already done is I already took the other side apart and fixed it. It's a fairly straightforward fix because luckily, let me look for the part. Luckily, if you look at the release latch, you can see that it's completely identical. So both sides are identical, except for this little spring that moves this warning red flip back and forth. So anyway, so what I did just to try it out if it actually works is I took both sides apart and I replaced the two latches, because this is actually from the right hand side. The other one that's already built in, this is from the other side because the other one was broken. So basically what I did is I replaced the latch, and as you can see, it works. I can push it back, it works. Now mind that, you know, the cover is not on it, so that's why it's exposed like this. Okay, so here we go. I am just pushing this little screwdriver in here. As you can see, it pops right out. Basically all you have to do is go around and undo this whole thing. You probably need to go all the way down this here and all the way up here. You don't have to remove this plastic cover. You can perfectly get to the lock mechanism right through this release. Okay, so what I did basically is peel away the seat cover and then push down the cushion and the seat cover, and it's really hard to film it, but you can see that it reveals the lock mechanism, and these are the two Torx screws that are bolts that need to be removed. Once these are removed, you can remove the whole lock mechanism. This is necessary because otherwise you cannot put the pin into the latch because you just simply cannot get to it. Okay, so here is the lock mechanism removed. As you can see, you have plenty of room to get to it from the bottom. So basically what you need to do is remove this pin and pop the latch in, and then put the pin back with the latch, of course, you know, sitting in this gap here. Okay, so here I already popped in the latch, and I hope you can see it. I put the pin back in. You can see that this is the one that's from the right hand side. This is the left hand side lock mechanism, and this is the one that was broken on the other side. So now a perfectly good one is put in. So basically all I need to do is put this back in, put the bolts back, put the cushion back and put the cover back on, and that's it. Try it out. Okay, so here is the whole lock mechanism and the latch put back. Let me try it out if it works. It works perfectly. It doesn't expose this red lip here that shows that it's not locked. As you can see, it's steady in place. If I pull on it, it releases, locks again, releases, locks again. So basically all I need to do is pop this cover back on, and it's done.